Hey folks, so I'm so I just returned back from Nona and Papa's house, and me, Lil Fit, and Pops are here. So yeah, we're doing another Q&A. Me and Lil Fit and Pops are here. Hey Lil Fit, what's up? It's been a while. Hey Pops.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say hi to the folks once again.
Hi, folks, once again.
Okay, never mind. Do that again. What is that? So, this is what I gotta do. Set up tour. Q&A time. Q&A time, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Hey, Pops, where are the crackers? Don't hurt the crackers. Or they... So, hey, Pops, did you just hear something?
Mm-mm.
I heard something. I heard like a... Well, I don't know either. What could it be? I don't know, Lil Foot. But something's not right. There's my reflection. Oops, sorry. Set up tour time. Got the Maverick. Got the Maverick kit. Inside the light. I think I just flashed my eyes into the light, but I don't think I did. Set up tour, skill, orange skill. Red's my favorite color, by the way. Hey, Pops. Can we watch Go Go Gophers?
No, right now.
Okay. Oh, there's Turbo. Can I get myself a cracker?
Yes.
Okay. So right now I'm in my house. I returned to my house, and I was at Nona and Papa's house, and I was in Nona and Papa's house at 2 days, not 3. Last time I was there at 3 days, which was longer. And I was hoping to come back in about 1 day, but I didn't. Yeah, it gets even more longer when I'm there at 3 days. For like a few days. Like 11. I don't know what that means, but I got some crackers. Let me just quiet. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. The Chewini. Wolfa, can you say Chewini with a frowny face? Chewini. I smell that. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. No jokes. Okay, what is this? Peekaboo. The Chewini. I got the Chewini.
In case you're wondering, I don't hold seances very often. I can barely tolerate the living.
Hey, Pops.
Okay. But my mother told me.
Never mind. So Pops showed me a new movie. The movie is made in 1988. It's called Oliver and Company. And Oliver is a little kitten. Little kitten? Yep. Little foot. But now I brought you to real life. But you said you were gonna visit me. I'll visit you soon. But it's too early. It's too early for me to visit you. It's 7:56. Anytime, and when it's morning, it's 7 a.m. Yeah, 7 a.m. So, yeah.
Seems like I wanted to deep to his already. Smells like chocolate. Second thoughts, why do I just stand here?
Hey, Pops,
Yeah.
can you turn this off? I think this might scare Littlefoot. You know what? I'm just gonna get my Coke and my crackers and bring them upstairs. So that way I don't have to deal with this scary movie. Scary movie? I'm running. I don't want to see that ever again. Alright. You know what? Yep. First off, never watch a scary movie. Was that Oliver and Company? Nope. I don't think that was the movie. Behold, our immortal enemy, Disney. Disney? Who's stealing all my Mickey is made Disney. And now he's stealing all my fans. Everyone is a fan of my videos. But now he's stealing all my fans. And now everyone is a fan of Disney. And I can't let everyone be a fan of Disney. Is that Oliver and Company? No, Chicken Little. Oh, here's the movie. Oliver and Company. Yeah, this is the movie. But I remember, I remember hearing a whoosh sound, Littlefoot. I heard it too. Maybe it was the character. Maybe it was Oliver and Company. You mean the characters from the movie? The characters? Are they like sharp teeth? No, you idiot. They're not sharp teeth. They're not. Nope. You don't know what they are. They're humans. And animals. You're an animal too. Humans are animals too. Is that Grammy? Pops? Were you? Nah, I think that's just Grammy. I'm glad to visit you at your cave. This is not a cave. It's a house. I told you that in the last video. Don't you understand? I'm really sorry, Alpha. I did not know. I didn't want you to see the scary movie. Why not? It might scare you. You might get scared. You might scream. You mean like this? Ah! Yeah, that's called getting scared. I'm just trying to get to. So yeah, folks, we're trying to get to. 950,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. We are? Yep. It's 2014 right now. Okay. Mickey has made a series called Massive House. And I'm not really a big fan of this video. And what? Oh, Spider Dave. Oh, was this a Spider Dave video? Yeah, I'm just gonna try to make the screen. Nope. Okay, that one is in a different language. Hey, yo, wait, what was that? Custom spyglasses.
Spyglasses used to zoom in, but not today, because I have added custom spyglasses to Minecraft, ranging from an X-ray spyglass to a spyglass that spawns literal portals. So subscribe if you're cool. We're in, and this is a great spawn. I love deserts. Ooh, and there's actually a gold block right there.
Is this Wisp? Oh yeah, this is Wisp. This is a video. This is a new. I believe this is a new video by Wisp. I'm sorry, I think the light is on. There. Sorry, the camera was in front of me. Sorry, I blocked the camera, Littlefoot. That's okay, Alpha. It's still nighttime out there. And did you hear that? I heard that too. What was that? Whatever, but... What? Whoa! What happened?